start stuff? Yeah. Hello, good evening everyone. मैं हूँ आपका अपना लिम्का बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड होल्डर नमन गुप्ता and I am here to represent Code Effort Private Limited. Firstly, I'll explain what all products that we make. We make premium, upcycled and sustainable products such as keychains, cushions, pillows, soft furniture, mosquito repellents. And on this prestigious day of Inkwash 3.0, I would like to launch a new upcoming product, recycled paper. This recycled paper has a shelf life of more than 2 years. It is antibacterial, it is completely foldable, and it gives an alternate to the paper and packaging industry. But what's the catch? What makes us different from the other products that are existing in the market? That is the raw material that we use. I ask you all a simple question. If you can imagine what raw material we are using, I'm glad that you took the right choice. But if you don't know, let me tell you that we are using the world's #1 littered single-use plastic globally, cigarette butts. Cigarette butts are the most littered item globally, and as per facts, more than 4.5 trillion cigarette butts end up as general litter in our beautiful environment each year. In India, more than 100 billion cigarette butts are generated by 250 million plus smokers in India. Not just that, this is just the quantum of the cigarette butts that we can collect or we can generate. Just one cigarette butt can contaminate more than 500 ml of usable water. It is a tiny bomb and it traps or absorbs more than 50 toxic effluents, which once leached into the environment can deplete our groundwater table and cause fatality and even death to our marine species. Moreover, another problem that these cigarette butts pose are the microplastics if they are left behind in a beautiful environment, and each cigarette butt releases more than 40 grams of CO2. Now, the major challenge that we have overcome from our beginning in 2018 to till date 2022 is the procurement mechanism. We work on 3 models to procure these cigarette butts across India efficiently and effectively. The first model is called V-bins. These V-bins are specifically designed for smokers to change their consumer behavior and provide them a source, a collection at source, so that we can procure these cigarette butts from the cigarette vendors, cafes, lounges, and even corporate companies. The second model on which we work are the rag pickers. These rag pickers work to make livelihood. So we work closely and directly with them so that whenever they provide us these cigarette butts, we provide them an incentive so that it provides them a livelihood opportunity and helps us in maximizing our collection quantities. The third model is called associates. This is a supplier agreement that we use. This is state-based, and anybody who has the motivation and wants to collaborate with us or wants to see his or her city to be free from cigarette butts, all they have to do is to take responsibility of their particular city and be our associate in procuring and supplying us the cigarette butts. With this, I would like to ask all the corporate officials who are present here or listening to my talk to come up with a solution to efficiently manage their cigarette butts. If you don't have a solution, feel free to reach out to us at codeefforts.com, and we are happy to provide you an end-to-end solution to efficiently manage your cigarette butts to convert them into the recycled final beautiful products. For all the city officials, I request you to come up with a solution so that we can make our city cigarette butts free. If you don't have a solution, I am there for you and we can work together and make the city cleaner, greener and cigarette butts free. On a small note, I would like to end my talk by saying that let us all conserve our depleting environment in the most environmentally responsible manner, because every small and single step will lead to a larger and a bigger impact at a longer run. Thank you. Jai Hind.